Now we are going to do 29 question set. Its first one is find all the marks obtained by the student in all subject in the first term to integer. Find all marks obtained by student all subject in first term to integer. They ask all marks, all subject and first term into integer. And then we write select mark then to convert to integer, we put a round function and say round mark from our student mark record. Let's see again. First term, we only need add one term, one table to that student mark record, and then we join our table on student mark record term ID and term ID. Then we say where term name as our question first term. We take this term. Let's execute, and we have integer numbers that in first term that those student got, and let's do second one. Find the average two decimal places in mark obtained by students for first term mathematics subject. Therefore, we need term table and subject table. Let's see how that we got. Then we round as 2 because they said about 2 decimal place and average. Therefore we need add average mark, AVG mark, and 2 decimal place, and then we need a term and subject. Right, subject table. subject from student mark report subject ID and subject ID, and we say and subject name equal subject as mathematics. First, next, let's execute this one, and we got 71 and 0.84 as average mark that the student got in first term to mathematics subject. That's how we got two decimal places with round function. Let's see the third one. What is the lowest mark obtained by science subject in all term examination of all students in class 11A? Therefore, we need uh, subject table. We don't need term. They say all term. Therefore, we don't need the term table, and we need class table. We have term table. Let's see. We need subject and class tables. We have subject and class. We can't get class directly, therefore we get from the student. Student class ID equal to student mark record, student index. Get class table. All term subject science 11A. All term subject science get science subject pass. They are asking about lowest mark. We put the subject, class name, subject name, something wrong. Without condition, let's see, without condition, what is the answer? There's no answer. The chauvinist mark. Select the min mark from student mark record, inner join, student mark record, index number. There is issue index number. Then we got the answer. Index number. Let's see. We got 23.5 as a mark lost in science subject to all subject in 11A class students. Then we get final one, find the average of mark obtained Amanda Moses, second term, mathematics, science, and similar literature language. We need for that our student table, need student table and subject table. To find that, we need average mark. Remove this one, and to find average AVG, and we got a student, and no need our class table, and we need second term, term table. Same term and term ID. Then we say where subjects. You can say all subject in that part. Um, we need average mark for this student and bracket that one. Name and close the bracket. And this average mark um, for all these subjects. Find the average of the mark obtained second term mathematics and literature. Uh, let's execute that one. Something in wrong. Reason. We got 88.48 as a result for average mark. This student Amanda Moses in those subject in we have to say and as second. We got that mark 88.62 and so on. Then we look at last one. Last question. Find the average two decimal places in mark obtained by student in 11A class in the second term uh, for all subject. For all subject, then we don't need that subject table. We need only class table and term table. Uh, average two decimal places. Average mark we got. We have to add round function and two decimal place. That one need, need that subject because they asking about all subject. We have to join our class table on our student table. Class ID and class ID, class name, no class name, no class ID, and where command we say class name Let's see question again. Second term and class level name. Second term class name as level name. Let's execute that one, and we got our uh, result in two decimal places, and 76.52 in second term, and in 11A class students, that average mark. That's how we queried all those questions, and thank you.